Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable power saving mode on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let's get started. So as a first step, we will need to swipe down to open the control panel, and here you can see this icon with a little battery on it. So this is the power saving mode, and if it's white, that means that the power saving mode is enabled. To enable or disable this mode, it would be simply enough to click on this icon. If it's gray, it's disabled. If it's white, it's enabled. And also we have an option to see some more information about this mode by holding our finger on this icon with battery. For example, here you can see how longer your watch can work with this mode turned on, what functions this mode turns off, which limits and which decreases. And also, if you would like to save even more battery percentage, we can turn on this feature which is named Limit Health Features. Click on this tab and then click on the slider to enable this function. Here on this tab, you'll be also able to find more information what this mode does. For example, it disables workout auto detection, high and low heart rate alerts, and more functions. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.